Guys, here we have roasted mackerel fish. As you can see, let's make some veggies and fish sandwich, right? Yeah. So I'm going to be placing my slicing veggies. Got the egg. On Pete got the egg, as you can see. So well slice. Place them. So we're adding some green pepper. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt. Just a pinch of it. Then we'll be adding some olive oil. Then that is it. We'll place it in the oven and allow it to roast. I'll be back. Right here, guys. Back from the oven. As you can see. So here we have gluten-free bread. Okay. I'm going to got the egg. The green pepper. Really hot. Tomatoes. Okay. The next thing is to add fish. At least the fish, it's like it became so dry after I remove it from the oven. You see? I need it. Because my children love ketchup, I'm going to add ketchup. So I'll add ketchup for them. Like so. So, like so. Yummy, yummy. Look at that, guys. Ready, ready.
Leading to you, my friend.